Hi everyone, this is task 3 for Lab 8 performing viewset analysis. In step 1, in ArcGIS row, we need to insert a new map frame. So go to insert and then new map. And we have to rename it to task 3. So right click on the map frame for your data frame and go to properties and give the data frame name is task 3 and click OK. In step 2, we need to add plne and lookouts.shp to the contents pane. So add lookout.shp as well as plne. So right click and add to current map. And once you have added them to the contents pane, make sure lookout.shp are on the top of plne in the drawing order. You might also want to change the symbology of lookout so that it will display better. You can change the symbology by right clicking on the symbol and then choosing another color for the symbol. And then once you are satisfied with the symbol, in step 3 in the geoprocessing pane, go to analysis and then go to tools and search for viewset. And then in the input raster, use plne, use lookout as your input point or polyline observer features, and then save your output raster as viewset. Then click run. Your result should look like this. Viewset separates the visible areas from non-visible areas. In step 4, first we need to add the plne hillset grid that we created in task 2 to the map. So go to your task 2 data frame and then add plne hillset grid from there by right clicking and then copy the layer and then go to your task 3 data frame and then right click on the task 3 data frame and then paste. Now you have plne hillset from your task 2 to the task 3 data frame. Place it right under the viewset in the drawing order in the contents pane. In step 5, right click viewset and select symbology. In the first drop down in the symbology pane, select unique values. In step 6, under the raster layer in the ribbon, in the effects group, set the transparency to 50%. The viewset layer now shows 3 classes in 50% transparency. In step 7, open the attribute table of viewset by right-clicking on the viewset layer and then clicking attribute table to open its attribute table. The table shows cell counts for the 3 classes. 0 represents not visible, 1 means visible from one observer point, and 2 means visible from both observer points. Question number 7 says, what is the total area of cells that are visible from both observer points? And you need to include units of measurement. For that, the total visible area will be equal to count for class 2, which is 10916 multiplied by the cell size. So in order to know the cell size of the raster, if you recall from the earlier instruction, you need to right click on the raster for view set, and then you need to go to its properties and then go to the source tab and then look for the cell size under raster information. So you can multiply the count by the cell size to get the total area of cells visible from both observer points. And that's all for task 3 of lab 8. Thank you.